If you are planning to build a career in AI, you might be walking straight into a trap. Everyone tells you to just learn AI, but the reality is that the industry is fiercely divided into two completely different paths: data scientists and machine learning engineers. Today, we settle the ultimate industry debate. By the end of this presentation, you will know exactly which path is right for you and how to avoid wasting years of your life learning the wrong skills. You see, there is this grand illusion of AI uniformity. People assume that building an AI model and deploying that model are the exact same job, but they aren't. Building a model is an academic exercise. Deploying it is software engineering. Therefore, if you choose the wrong path today, you will burn years of your life learning the wrong skills. To understand the trap, look at the full machine learning development lifecycle. It is split into two distinct tracks: the analytical track, the production track. The analytical track is where concepts are proven mathematically in clean, isolated testing sandboxes using pure math and statistics. But the production track is entirely different. This is the realm of robust software engineering, global scaling, and live traffic. Let's dive into the analytical track first, the domain of the data scientist. I like to call them the detectives. Their core skill set shines brightest at the exact intersection of pure mathematics, statistics, and business domain logic. They translate raw, chaotic corporate data into clear, beautiful stories and forecasts. To do this, data scientists operate heavily inside the Jupyter sandbox. It's a safe space to load messy datasets, test hypotheses, and endlessly tune hyperparameter dials until the model sings. They prove the concept works perfectly in theory. But here is the conflict. Theory often shatters against real-world chaos. Therefore, you need someone to scale that brain. Enter the machine learning engineer, the master systems builder. The MLE takes that fragile mathematical blueprint from the architect and builds the skyscraper of steel and glass. They don't build intelligence from scratch. Instead, they transform fragile academic models into highly scalable, lightning-fast microservices capable of surviving massive global traffic. How exactly do they do that? With a heavy-duty production stack, they package that fragile mathematical brain into immutable Docker containers to guarantee absolute environment consistency. Then they orchestrate using Kubernetes and robust cloud platforms to spin clusters up and down, preventing failures under sudden user spikes. Finally, they wrap those models with high-speed frameworks like FastAPI to safely deliver predictions globally in milliseconds. Let's look at a real-world collision. A data scientist at Netflix works to discover viewing patterns and user preferences using Jupyter and PyTorch. Their ultimate output is a trained model weight and mathematical blueprint. But an MLE at a bank works on a real-time fraud shield. Their objective is deploying stable fraud detection in real time using Docker and cloud systems, resulting in a fault-tolerant microservice serving live traffic. And because their outputs are completely different, their core metrics for success are different too. A data scientist will obsess over pushing theoretical accuracy from 92% to 95% by tweaking abstract hyperparameters. But an ML engineer couldn't care less about theoretical tweaks if the server crashes. Therefore, the MLE targets a 10x speedup, optimizing back-end pipelines so the exact same model runs globally without destroying server infrastructure. This brings us to the market reality, the talent gap. Right now, generalist data science makes up a solid 30% of the market, but there is a massive 45% scarcity in ML engineering. The market heavily favors those who can actually bridge the gap from research into live production systems, and therefore, that market scarcity translates directly into your paycheck. While both career paths are incredibly lucrative, ML engineers earn a distinct salary premium at all experience levels due to the complexity of production scale. An entry-level MLE earns around $90,000 compared to $80,000 for a DS, and a staff MLE can command well over $300,000. So which path wins for you? Choose data science if you are driven by rigorous mathematical statistics, enjoy presenting valuable insights to executives, and love running open-ended curious experiments. Or choose ML engineering if you love back-end coding, enjoy seeing your code running reliably in production at scale, and are fascinated by DevOps and pipeline orchestration. If you want to accelerate your AI career today, here is your exact 4-quarter roadmap. Quarter 1, master Python syntax, SQL database operations, and standard ML libraries. Quarter 2, master MLOps by integrating environment isolation using Docker and orchestrating containers cleanly. Quarter 3, build and deliver high-speed web services utilizing FastAPI and cloud compute nodes. Quarter 4, establish monitoring systems to watch model drift and maintain live servers. Because knowing the path is only the first step, your mandate is to transition from theoretical modeling into high-value platform deployment. Bridge the gap by building high-speed, live production web services. Actively monitor model performance in real time. Master your deployments, and you will become completely unstoppable in the AI industry.